Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play pro soccer online. First, select a top-tier online soccer game platform that offers competitive play. A stable, high-speed internet connection is crucial for seamless gameplay, aiming for at least 25 megabits per second download speed. Next, create your unique player profile and customize your in-game avatar to stand out. Finally, complete all introductory tutorials to master the basic controls and game mechanics before diving into matches. To excel, focus on core gameplay strategies. Consistent practice of passing accuracy and timing is essential for maintaining possession and creating scoring opportunities. Develop strong defensive positioning and precise tackling to win back the ball effectively. Master advanced dribbling techniques and skill moves to outmaneuver opponents. Furthermore, understanding various tactical formations and player roles will give you a significant strategic advantage in every match. To advance, actively participate in online leagues and ranked matches to test your skills against others. Regularly analyze your performance data, such as shot accuracy and pass completion rates, to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Effective communication and collaboration with your teammates are vital for building strong team chemistry and executing complex plays. Additionally, observe professional players to gain insights into advanced tactics and strategies. To sustain peak performance, remember to take regular breaks. Even 15-minute intervals can prevent burnout and maintain sharp focus. Stay informed about game patches and meta changes, as these can significantly impact gameplay and strategies. Actively engage with the online community to exchange tips, discuss tactics, and learn from fellow players. Finally, consider investing in quality gaming peripherals, like a responsive controller, for a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.